Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients who came to us from North Carolina with horrible back pain for many years. He came here for the Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic annular debridement. He had it done yesterday in the afternoon. How do you feel today?
Oh, great. 100% pain-free.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, and thank you, Dr. Deuk, and your team to make me pain-free. 100% feels great. Feel like a new life begins. So thank you again. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. A lot of people who live with back pain, they understand how it affects their life. How did it affect your life?
A whole lot, especially when you run the business. I'm in a convenience store, gas station business, so standing on your feet all day. If employees not come in, not show up, you have to go to work. That affect a lot because I couldn't stand more than 25-30 minutes. I need to use my energy to stay on my feet. And it's really horrible, really painful. I literally slept on the ground after taking a couple customers. So it was really bad, really worse pain. But finally, we find the Dr. Deuk.
Yes. How did you find the Deuk Spine Institute?
We seen your video on YouTube, and that's how my journey begins. I seen them lots of video, more than I can say about more than a couple hundred videos I watched. And finally, I call them, send them MRI, and the MRI review, guys, is free, nothing gonna cost you, and they're gonna give you honest advice, so it won't hurt you. Call them, send your MRI, and they give you whatever it is, So
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so your surgery was done yesterday, and here you are pain-free. We went in with the laser, and we fixed the 2 discs. There was a tear where the herniation came from on the side of the disc. We fixed that with the laser. We got rid of the herniation. And after the surgery, I had a chance to meet your wife, and I know you have 2 young girls.
Yes.
I met them both over the phone, and they were worried about you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be difficult, when you have pain like that. You have to be the leader of your family.
Yes, especially I have 8 years and 10 years old daughters. My 8 years old, I never hold her on my hand because of the back pain. Always worry about, always thinking about my lower back if I hold her, and it's happened many times. I made a mistake, go to play with her, bicycling, it's worsening my pain. But finally, we are in a good hand. So thank you.
You're going to be able to spend time with your daughters and
Yeah.
do things with them and not be in pain anymore. I'm so
thank
happy
you.
for you. You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
But not too soon. Let it heal.
Yeah.
Right? We're very excited. Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna say one important thing about the Indian community, the people who working really hard day and night and contribute in US economy. The Indian community, I know, guys, you have a back pain, lower back pain. It won't hurt you to call Dr. Deuk, send your MRI, send your x-ray or whatever, just call them. It's not gonna hurt you, and you're gonna get the honest advice. Believe me, I went through so many doctors. I went to the overseas, take a lot of advice, went through a lot of procedure, lot of things, injection, lot of anti-inflammatory drugs, but nothing helped me. This is the guy who's gonna help me and help you too, guys. So please call him, come in. Usually I never recommend nobody because I'm the businessman. I look at the other perspective, but this is the place you're gonna be pain-free. Believe me, pain-free. Take my words. So come here or call them, send them MRI, and they're gonna give you the good advice. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Let's go enjoy life now.
All right.